Hope you like that little intro there. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Magic Tricks TV. Today I'm going to be teaching you probably one of the most classic tricks in Magic. Well, not one of the most classic ones. Probably, in my opinion, one of the most powerful magic tricks someone could ever accomplish. It is truly amazing. The spectator will not know how he did it. This is the David Blaine hand sandwich transpo trick. I will be performing this and then giving you an in-depth tutorial on how to do it. So, without further ado, let's get into the performance. Okay, so for this performance, I will just need the top card, which is the 7 of clubs. So, I don't have a hand, so I'm just going to use the card box as my hand. I'm going to take the 7 of clubs and place it right under the card box, just like this. Now I'll just use the next top card, which just happens to be the Joker. Okay, now if I take the Joker like this, give a little tap, I actually have the 7 right here. If we look under the card box, I have the Joker right there. What? So if you want to learn how to do that, why wouldn't you? Don't forget to stick around for the tutorial. So, I think if you saw that, so from seeing that performance, I think what you need, I think you know what I mean by one of the most powerful tricks in Magic. So what you will need for this is just one thing. You will need a duplicate card. Now this can be identical Jokers. I have heaps of decks with identical Jokers. If you have the Monarchs, the Blue Crowns, the Artifice, anything like that, they will have, most likely have, well yes, they will have identical Jokers, and some bicycle decks have identical Jokers as well. So, once you've got that, oh, and you can also, if you have a bicycle deck that's red and you have a blue bicycle deck, you can take this, you can take a blue card and stick it on the back of another blue card, another red card. So just imagine you have 7 here, and then that was another colour. You'd take that same colour card from this deck and stick it on that, and then you'd have supposedly 2 identical cards, but you don't have to do that. That'd be a lot of setup. So once you have your 2 identical Jokers, you're going to take another random card and just put it in the middle of the Jokers. Now put those on top and you're ready to go. So with this setup right here, put that on top of the deck and you're ready to go. So you start off by having the spectator shuffle, you shuffle the deck, but making sure that you maintain those cards on top. Comment down below if you want me to do a riffle shuffle tutorial, because it is a pretty essential move to know. You can do some false cuts like this, and you're ready to go. So you're going to this. All this is just double lifts. That's it. 2 double lifts, nothing else to it. I'll do a brief tutorial on the strike double lifts. So you're going to hold the deck with your 3 fingers like this, index off to the side a little bit. You're going to bevel the deck like this, and that'll make it easy for your index to riffle up 2 cards like this. Then you're just going to flip it over as 1. So if you want a more in-depth tutorial on the double lift, then comment down below again. So you're going to take that, you're going to flip that double back over, and you're just going to sit that in the spectator's hands, and they sandwich it, or under the card box. Now, you just do another double lift, like this. You flip that over, the Joker, and you flip that back over, and you automatically have that in your hand, and you just sort of wave it a little bit. You can say that you have this in your hand and you now have this over here. So this is a really simple trick. I'm not going to go really in depth because I think it's just so simple that you'll just figure it out. So one more time, this here on top of the deck, false cuts, false shuffles, whatever you want, and then you do double lift, 8 of hearts, and set that down. Then you do another double lift, a joker, and then you wave, and it's their card, and the joker is over there. So yeah, that's really the trick. There's not much to it. It hits such a powerful punch though. So yeah, that's basically it. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.